Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Mike here, still in Arizona. I had to head out today for work to some stuff and figured I was near a sandwich shop that I completely am in love with, but haven't come here for a long time because I don't do gluten. But they now have gluten-free buns, so I'm gonna go inside this place and check it out. All right, so Arizona Sandwich Company, right off University in the 143. Kind of near ASU. So let's go check it out and get some sandwiches. All right, some of the stuff on here. Lots of options. All right guys, we went with a Sparky without the avocado and the Zapp's potato chips. What do you guys think? This looks bomb. These are so good. On gluten-free bun too. All about ditching the wheat out of your diet. Sucks. All right, good lunch. The gluten-free bread, a little dry for me anyways. I do miss the old bread because the natural sandwiches are here really good with the original bread. But it's a great sandwich. Anyways, like and subscribe. I know I say that every time. But we're leaving for Amsterdam tomorrow. So Nicole and I will be there, and we've got a lot of foodie adventures coming up with, I think, 9 different countries. So go ahead and tune in, follow us around the world. We'll bring you some of the cool restaurants in Europe, the Seychelles, and Dubai. Until next time.